Next, biconditional. Fourth number, biconditional. Double implication. Double implication. Double implication. If and only if two statements are combined by using the letters if and only if, which is also denoted by if and only if, and we use the notation for double implication is two-sided arrow. We use the notation two-sided arrow. First statement is P. If and only if and only if P implies Q. P implies Q. P implies Q. P double implication मध्ये P biconditional Q double implication. Truth table for biconditional. Truth table for biconditional. First statement is P, second statement is Q. P double implication Q. P double implication Q. If both the values of P and Q, if truth value of both P and Q are same, then it is true, otherwise it is false. Both value P and Q is TT, therefore double implication is equal to T, and P and Q also value same, F, therefore it is also double implication T, otherwise it is false. Otherwise it is false. In biconditional, this is our truth table. This is our truth table. And last logical connective is negation. Last logical connective is negation of statement. 5 number. Negation of statement. Negation of statement. First, negation of statement. For any given statement P, there is another statement which is negative of this statement. Which is negative of this statement. Truth table for negation. Truth table for negation. If statement is P, then negation of P. P negation of P. If P having value T, then negation of P is T. Negation of T is equal to F. If P statement having value F, then negation of F is T. This is the truth table for negation. And also note, remember the note, negation of negation. Negation of negation is equal to statement itself. Negation of negation is statement itself. Negation of negation. Negation of P. Negation of negation of P is equal to P. Therefore, it is a statement itself. In next point, we are going to learn examples. Examples for CT. Examples for CT. Example. Question. Which of the following is symbolic form? Which of the following is symbolic form of compound statement. First example, triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Triangle is equilateral or isosceles. 4 options: A, B, C and D. These types of questions are asked in CET example. First option, negation of P or Q. P implies Q. P or Q. P and Q. Let us see this example. Triangle is equilateral or isosceles. Triangle is equilateral or isosceles. First, P is, triangle is equilateral. Triangle is equilateral. Next, Q, triangle is isosceles. First we have to find the values of this compound statement in the symbolic form. Then we see these options. Triangle is equilateral, P. Triangle is equilateral or करता नोटेशन काय तुमचं P or Q. First option, negation of P. There is no negation of triangle is equilateral. It is our statement. It is not negation. Therefore, this option is not correct. P implies Q. If then, which is not used in this example. P or Q. This is correct option. And P and Q. Here use the conjunction. Here use the disjunction. Combination of two sentences with the word or. Therefore, it is disjunction. Therefore, it is not. Therefore, P or Q. P is triangle or is equilateral. Q is triangle is isosceles. P or Q. This is our correct answer. Therefore, C is correct option. C is correct option. C is correct option. Next example. Second example. The angle is right angle. The angle is right angle. Angle is right angle if and only if and only if it is of measure 90 degree. It is of measure 90 degree. Options. First option A, P implies Q. Second option, P double implication Q. Next, third option, negation of P implies negation of Q. And last option D, negation of P, double implication, negation of Q. First, we see first statement. The angle is right angle. The angle is right angle. If and only if it is of measure 90 degree. Q statement, it is of measure 90 degree. It is of measure 90 degree. P implies Q. If then, therefore this is not correct answer. P double implies Q. Therefore, if and only if, we have to use if and only if by conditional. Therefore, it is our correct answer. Negation is not included in this example. Therefore, these two options are not correct. Therefore, B option is correct, which is P double implication Q. P double implication Q. And last example is our third example. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. And Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Nagpur is in Maharashtra and Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. First option A, P or Q. Second option P and Q. Third option C, P and negation of Q. And last option D, P implies Q. First, we see this statement. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. First, P. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. Q. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. Chennai is in Tamil Nadu. First, C. Nagpur is in Maharashtra. P. Here, letter and is used. Therefore, it is conjunction. Therefore, P and Q. Therefore, P and Q. Here it is or is not used. Therefore, P and Q are not option. It is option. Negation is not included in this statement. Therefore, it is not. And P implies Q. If then it is not used. Therefore, P and Q and is used. Therefore, option B is correct. Option B is correct. P and Q. Thank you.